Sammy.
It's about to die.
Nomás concéntrate.
You lucky lady.
Oh, one.
Concentración.
You can't let the shit go. No fucking nothing. Eso está.
That's not working. Mira. Oh. No hizo nada, mira. Está blanco, lo mira.
La mitad que lo está así de a poquito.
No dijo que 3.
Bueno, dale, pues.
He's just thinking about that lunch and then Monday, he's like, shoot, I don't need lunch.
Yeah, I'll get you the lunch. Not a problem. I'll get you the lunch Monday.
Kind? Oh, you've taken him. Is he eating for money?
Don't right.
No,
Lunch on Monday.
For fun? Ah, for fun.
I'm gonna treat him to a lunch on Monday.
That's all that's left. Like a serious in his face. That reminds me of a hit he
Falta la mitad.
Let me stop eating.
De una vez blanca.
Sí, pues son 3. Ya, 4 no vale, ¿eh?
No, es okay.
Uno más, a ver. Don't touch your forehead. He doesn't listen.
Nada.
Explain the feeling.
Pero no hay la que saquen.
Ahorita no es nada, espérate.
The food helping at all.
No, because it's hot. So it hurts even more.
You think soda will help it?
No,
No?
and it's milk. Don't touch your fingers. Don't touch your fingers. No, don't touch your fingers.
Vámonos.
Órale.
Concéntrate.
Almost. Last one. Last bite.
Well, stay there. ¿Y estos enchilados? ¿Ya?
Yeah.
I feel like my mouth is paralyzed. Like right here, all this.
¿No quieres la mitad?
¿Cómo se?
No.
No me comí 6.
No, eran 11 nomás.
Oh, no food.
Oh, that's it.
No food.
One more.
Oh, he is strong.
You know, breathe. Stop it.
No te da la cara, cochete.
It doesn't health insurance.
I think he got it worse.
It's okay. He has Monday off. No, I guess he has Monday. He has tomorrow off.
You gotta put pause on it.
No, there's no pause.
No.
Why not?
4 minutes, sorry. The guy that won't eat it. No.
No, hasta que sientas en un solo, loco. I feel all this paralyzed, all this, like, I feel all numb.
Pues no dejes que se pase para que ya no sientas el otro golpe. Y una vez así, vámonos.
About to grab it. He's about to grab it.
No, pues le queda más a la mitad.
Close your eyes and bite it. Close your eyes and bite it.
About the food.
Does he have sweet teeth?
Close your eyes.
Yeah, that's sweet the chili.
Thinking about the food.
I get to go anywhere. You get choose
For lunch?
Lunch.
Let's go. It burns! It burns! Oh no, wrong one. This is a play.
Somebody get him some water. Bird, baby, bird.
Vamos, todo.
You thought about it. Don't touch your eyes.
No, come la comida. He's throwing on the floor. No lo tienes porque es peor.
Oh, there. Ooh, don't touch your eyes.
Don't touch your fingers.
And eyes and fingers. Ahora sí, dígale. ¿Se sienten los pies?
No. Tres días va a andar así. Uno para arriba hasta el lunes.
No, it's good. Hey, he gets lunch on Monday. Nothing. Oh, he lost a bit. No, remember? Oh, he brought back.
Sorry al que trajo la
No, que vaya de todo. No, acábatela toda.
You have to put it off the message thing. Huh? It only lets you record like 15 minutes of it, huh? I don't know.
Hey, get over here. No, you can't go anywhere.
Fernando's gonna take you to the restroom too.
Yeah, I'll change you to the restroom. I gotta. Don't touch your forehead or eyes.
Drink more milk.
You look like a guy in the video. Put back the cap on the milk.
It doesn't help.
Milk helps.
Like the girl in the
Not for
video.
this one. It's too hot.
What can help him?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just have to wait it out.
And how long it takes?
15, 30 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah. But he'll be feeling it later.
One
Just
question.
ask him
Do you
Dale.
think you will survive?
His feet were, I guess he could feel his blood flow to his feet and everything.
Oh my God.
He would touch his body and it would just be like hot.
But
So he
why did he do it? He wanted
He wanted to.
Oh. Think is what? Sammy is stupid.
And he's feeling it now.
Tell me about it. Oh. I got lunch on Friday. That gives that deserves the lunch on Friday. That's what I'm saying. I recorded a little bit. I'll show it to you later.
You want to play basketball?
Put an apple. Yeah, no se aguanta. I did record him.
Sammy, how's it feel?
Do you need some water?
Can you talk? Can you talk?
He hasn't been
Yeah.
talking for the past 10, 15
Stop
minutes.
touching!
Don't